guys, I seem to have fucked up. I think I melted my lip off. I mean, I guess it's probably a product of my own stupidity, but I mean, you gotta be dirt nasty low, dude. Luckily this happened on my way to work, so I can just go in, grab some tools, and get the thing off. But yeah, not a great start to the day. See, this was all just an experiment, so that I could find out if only 2 screws could hold this body kit on. Apparently 2 screws is probably not enough to hold this body kit on. Who would have thought? There she is, boys. Put an F in the chat. She's seen her last day. My car looks so high without it on. We'll figure something out. Let me know what you guys think. I kind of am wondering if I should just put a diffuser on there, like get a carbon fiber diffuser. It'd be kind of cool, right? Like a little bit of a bumper cut back here, like cut it up and have like nice diffuser panels there. I don't know. Seems like it could be a little bit more aggressive, a little more race inspired, which is kind of what I'm going for on this thing. Because it's not a stance car. I want this thing to look fast and be fast. So I don't know. I mean, at the end of the day, these lips are cheap, so I'm not really too mad about fucking one up. Especially because like I bought a cheap eBay version of it, so it's not anything like crazy. But for now we're gonna be riding stock rear bumper, which, you know, is not ideal, but you know, it's better than taking out an entire bumper when something like that happens. So that's nice. At least it's just a lip. I'm gonna have to get this old girl cleaned up. Looks like she's ready for a wash, so let's go ahead and do that. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we've got a few things lined up. We're gonna go to a car show, one of the biggest car shows that kind of happens in our area. It's called Waste Space, so we're gonna be hitting that up with pretty much all the boys that went down to California. We got Matt going, we got Andrew going, Davis, Ben, Jimmy, all the guys are going. Today we're going to be taking the IS300. Before we go ahead and do that, I'm going to have to go to a hardware store. Now, as you guys can see, this is the 13B front iron. Now, why would I need to go to a hardware store with a 13B front iron, you might be asking? Well, this is the mount used to put 13Bs on engine stands. Now, as you guys know, I'm a huge rotary fan, and I'm not going to tell you guys that we got something new, but we might have gotten something new, and it might have a little bit to do with that. But I'm not saying anything else. We currently have about 30 minutes to get there, get all the stuff that we need, and get out because they close at 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and rush on over there, and we'll get over to the car show. I'll see you guys in a bit. IS300s not only fill the role of being a nice little grocery getter, but they're also pretty much a pickup truck, so you can put all kinds of shit in them. And let me tell you right now, that's not the biggest thing I've ever put in here. 5:44. We got 15 minutes to get what we need. Right, we secured the very little bag. That's gonna be all the hardware we need to mount it. Plates going on in. There was one kid that actually noticed what I was carrying, and he was all stoked. He's like, "Is that for a rotary?" I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "Dude, that's sick." So I'm gonna get on the road. We're gonna go over to Andrew's house first, and then we'll make our way over to Wasted Space. I'm sure a few of you guys have seen this and kind of wondered what that's all about. I just kind of did that in a gas station parking lot because Soda was like talking to me, and we were talking about wrapping our cars and shit. And he was like, "Dude, but like, how do you cut it?" and all this kind of shit. And I was like, "Dude, I have everything that I need to show you." So I just kind of did that in a gas station parking lot, and I think it looks kind of good. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it, but I'll keep it on there for a little bit. It's kind of different. Let's get on the road. All right, so we made it here. Andrew and Matt were here, but we're about to go take off. We're going to go meet the rest of the guys at the car show. Damn it, dude. I fell behind. Everybody's leaving without me, and I got a red light. Oh, they waited for me. Pulling up to Sonic. This is where the meet's gonna be. Meet doesn't actually technically start until 7:30, and we're getting there a little bit early, but there's gonna be a lot of people there, so we wanna make sure we can actually get a spot. You know the jokes people always make that all your local meets look like just like parking lots? So far, that's what this meet is looking like, but we'll see, we'll see. There's a few cool cars here, but right now it's not great.
Is that, you trying to get on my level with that door?
What are you talking about, dude? That's always been there? It's always been like that.
I've just now noticed it.
Yeah, it sucks.
I thought you were just trying to, you know, follow the trend.
Yeah, I want to be just like you, Jimmy. I want to be just like you. That's my one goal in life. Got that big turbo Honda life, dude. Look at those. I love that teardrop hood exit.
I do too.
That looks so good.
It's clean as fuck.
The coils, all the wiring, dude. This looks like a looks like a fucking expensive build.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I wonder how fast these things are.
Dude, these things probably haul ass. Dude, I really like that body style. The EK.
Yeah, I'm more of an EG hatch kind of guy. Bro, what is that, like 30 grand sitting right there? Dude, unmolested, slightly lowered on Watanabes.
Well, the
Dude.
fender's a little chooched, but
I mean,
it's clean for most 240.
in today's market, that's probably like 30 grand.
That's minty fresh.
We saw Ben just pulling into the meet, so we're gonna try to find out where he is. And yeah, I don't think it's next to that giant group of people over there. That wouldn't make any fucking sense, right?
I have a lot of ambitions, but yeah, yeah, see, exactly. That's what I should do. Just have backup motors.
I love that shit. First reaction to an RB26 is like, what?
That one kid's eyes are
just fucking wide as shit, dude. I don't know why everybody's crowded around the slowest car at the meet, dude.
Some kid comes over, he's like, hey man, can we look under the hood? I'm like, yeah, obviously, sorry. Hey bud.
I love you so much because you pull up to a car meet and you just jumped out of the car and walked off. I wouldn't be a bit surprised if the key was still sitting in the ignition.
I mean, you guys are here, it's safe.
I'm just saying,
I think this mob could probably overpower us a little bit.
I believe in you guys. I believe in you.
Is that rack suction cupped onto that Supra?
Sure is.
That's so sick.
That is sketch.
That's a lot of trust.
What do you think he has in there that he needed that?
He probably puts like milk and shit in there, like groceries.
He's got his golf clubs over there.
Yeah, right?
You take the restrictor plate back out?
Are they spooling now or no? Yeah. If you just like
yeah.
Yeah, they say roll with the foot. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's the next game, roll with the foot.
But even that entire side of the parking lot is just full of cars. We got like all the way over there.
I saw Sean roll through.
All the way down there. It's ridiculous.
Why'd you get a Subaru?
Huh?
Why'd you get a Subaru?
He was hooked, man. He got that vape, and he's like, I gotta get a Subaru. I got the vape because of the Subaru.
It came with it. It came in the glove box.
Yeah, he just looked in the cup holder and he was like, oh shit, this feels right.
He was reading the owner's manual, and it's like, yeah, so included in the glove box is your brand new vape. Make sure to charge it before use.
You get 3 uses out of it. You basically throw it away like the engine. His house
That's
in half.
nice, dude.
Cut his house in half? It's like one of those mobile homes. Cut it in
Jesus.
half?
Dude, these cars are tiny.
You want to talk about tiny cars sitting in the GT40, dude? That is reasonably sized. Oh, yeah, for sure. He's got RB28. He's got RB25.
What is that? That thing's clean. Baby GT4.
Oh shit.
That's sick. That's probably the coolest car here, Ben.
Right.
It's pretty much your car.
It's the same.
All-wheel drive, turbo.
It's faster.
Yeah. That thing's sick. Well, there's all kinds of crazy shit here, but it's time to go home. I got fucking work to do.